Three.
Chirag,
Hello and welcome back to the Football Parliament, your one-stop destination for your football debates, discussions, and opinions. The UCL draws are out. The round of 16 looks as tasty as ever. I have with me the Football Parliament panel who will be discussing, who will be giving their first reaction, I'll say, for to the round of 16. I see some very happy faces with Palash sitting here, who is just out of उसको पता है कि मतलब उसने क्या dodge करा है अभी. He just dodged a bullet. I have Vedant who also looks happy to me. Let's get their reaction. Palash, first of all, your reaction.
And we have Anshuraj and Nityam who don't know what the fuck they're doing over here because
No.
एक तो Europe
They are waiting for the draws 1 घंटे बाद. 1 घंटे बाद UEL के
नहीं
draws
वो तो
आएगा.
अंशुराज कर रहा है ना
Nityam is waiting for more draws.
नित्यम तो कुछ भी नहीं कर
I'm
रहा
here
है,
for
vibes
the
कर रहा है
vibe.
वो।
नित्यम
is
is
here for the
waiting कि मैं
vibes.
छलांग कब लगाऊं. When should I jump off from my building? He's just waiting. Arteta कब जाएगा? No, getting back to the draws. First of all, it's Benfica who will be facing Real Madrid. Atletico will be facing Bayern Munich. Inter Milan versus Ajax. Chelsea will be facing Lille. Villarreal will be going against City. Salzburg versus Liverpool. Sporting versus Juventus. And PSG will be facing Manchester United in the blockbuster clash of the draws. Palash.
Yeah, talking about Chelsea तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा खुश हूँ. The best draw that we could have had. We only had four possible opponents going into the draw because and जिसमें भी the most likely opponent was Real Madrid, followed by I think Bayern, Lille, and Ajax super close. So yes, as we said, the easiest opponent Bayern Munich, Real Madrid weren't gonna be easy. Neither was Ajax the way they were playing, but Lille you could, मतलब ठीक है, they won the league on last season and all, but if you look at their place this season, it's not as impressive. So, ठीक है, very very happy, perfect draw for us.
Vedant.
Jonathan David will make you eat your words. Jonathan David, my goat.
He was the one जो पूरे पिछले सीजन भी लगा हुआ था. ये टीम तुम्हारा ये कर देगी, ये टीम तुम्हारा वो कर देगी. We won the Champions League, bro.
अब वेदांत का कर्स लग गया ना.
Vedant
आके बोलेगा. So you think that you can beat Lille with such a weak?
हाँ भाई, कितनी बार वो सेम जोक रिसाइकल करेगा यार. हर रोज एक बार भेज
OGs of the
भाई तो
channel
जोक
remember
है ही
that
ऐसा
video.
यार, इतना कॉन्फिडेंटली कौन हटता है?
Yeah, OGs of the channel will only remember this joke. Chelsea
वेस्ट
versus
ब्रॉम से
Real
आ रहे
Madrid.
थे तुम लोग यार.
Still won the Champions League, bro. So, talking about the
Moving on.
fishiest fixtures, what do you see except PSG Man U? Which is the fixture you will be most likely waiting for? Nityam.
I'm waiting for the Atletico Bayern game. Of course, PSG United will be interesting, but I think PSG will win it because United have Sue, but PSG have lots of match winners. You know,
Obviously,
Messi can win.
And it might be the last chance. Like we will be seeing Messi will be facing Ronaldo. It might be the last chance. Last year भी हमने ये कहा था, but again this is happening. But this actually might be the last chance. We might be.
Yeah,
seeing
we
Messi
are
versus
very
Ronaldo.
lucky to have this again. You know, Messi versus Ronaldo, but Bayern versus Atletico will be interesting because, of course, Atletico बहुत ही defensive side है. Shape compact रहना चाहिए और attack अच्छा होएगा. And Bayern
But
is a very
Nityam, this
good
season the
attacking-
story has been completely different for Atletico as well. They've got, like, in terms of stats, Atletico have the 5th best defense in La Liga, which is so not them. They're usually used
but
to
in the European
being at
stage,
the
you never go on form or कि तुम्हारे उस season में तुमने क्या करा.
yeah,
That night is
exactly.
different.
So things can change.
Definitely.
That things can
Plus
change for
these games are in February. तो अभी से February के
exactly,
बीच
yeah.
में क्या होगा किसी को नहीं मालूम.
Anshuraj, your take on the English teams getting an easier draw, except Manchester United, obviously. All three English teams going through.
Yeah, possibly, unless Manchester City bottle early on in the competition.
Do you feel Pep will ever bottle so early in the competition?
We never know. He did it in his first season at City.
Yeah, I mean they have
against Monaco.
against Monaco. Yeah,
They did against
Who's
Monaco.
the manager
then it
of
was against
Villarreal right now?
Tottenham the next season as well.
It's Emery, right?
Yeah,
Unai
yeah.
Emery.
Yeah, so Emery
Unai
versus
Emery.
Pep will be again. Do you remember those times when he was at Arsenal versus Man City times? That was a fierce rivalry, I think so.
Nityam, you
I
can
mean,
remind
boys,
us.
every time I
Nitin can
remember
speak.
it.
Nitin can speak that. Finally, we can have Nitin
I
speaking.
Good
remember the
evening.
thing. We have never been good against City because their level of football and their brilliance on the ball is just too good for us. And we don't play well on the attack. So City will, of course, take the ball and Unai Emery will try to counter them. And let's see. I think City should win this.
So I think let's get into the predictions very early, and we'll discuss each match as we go on. Just the predictions, guys, starting from Benfica versus Real. Nityam.
I think, of course, Madrid आराम से जीतेगी ये match. I think first leg में it will be over
I
3-0.
I I I asked Nityam to talk. Vedant क्यों बोल रहा? Oh, sorry, Nityam. Anshuraj.
As much as I'd hoped for Benfica to win, but it's बहुत unlikely है यार. Real Madrid का form कुछ ज़्यादा ही अच्छा है ये season, especially in these last couple of games.
Palash.
But we
You're
never
done with the
know
group
what
chat.
Madrid might do over the winter. ऐसे capitulation हो जाएगा Atletico last season. But even then, Madrid in the UCL पता नहीं उनका कुछ अलग ही जग जाता है अंदर से.
Definitely.
So I think Madrid
Yeah, but
should go through.
talking about this game now, there is a good chance that our best players who are, of course, over 30, they might run out of gas. So there's a good chance कि जितना जिस लेवल पे वो लोग अभी परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं वो सेम वो रिटेन ना कर पाए फेब तक, because Madrid are looking to win the La Liga once again. So right now they're using out Cruz, Modric, Benzema, etc. at their absolute best, so that come January, come February, they can get rest and players like Jovic, Valverde, Camavinga, etc. get a lot of game time, and they'll remain fresh for this Champions League fixtures. That's what Ancelotti's game plan will be mostly. But again, round of 16 has always been like
No,
a
no, Vedant,
haunted
I'll cut you
thingy,
short. Let's move
sort
to the
of.
next game. Atletico versus Bayern. Quick prediction, guys. Starting with Palash.
Atletico Bayern, I'll go with the Bayern win. Easy one.
Bayern, I think आराम से जीत जाएगी, especially if they get Kimmich back, which probably they will. Then तो कोई question ही नहीं.
No, but I definitely feel कि Simeone must have a plan. Like if he wants to go defensive, उससे ज़्यादा कोई defensive manager नहीं जा सकता unless it's Mourinho parking his bus. So I feel कि we can
Hey,
actually
but he's going
play a
to
good
play
contest.
Suarez ना. If you have Suarez in your team, you can't defend effectively because वो बंदा भागता ही नहीं है.
He might venture.
He'll stand in
Plus,
front.
Anshuraj, if you've seen Atletico are trying to do something different this season. वो लोग थोड़ा सा high press करने का काफी कोशिश करते हैं, but they're losing it.
Yeah, they don't have players. If you're
Yeah.
going to play Suarez in a high press system, he doesn't run. He might score goals, but he won't press for you. So I'll say Bayern will easily get past.
Next, moving on to Inter versus Ajax. Nityam, quick prediction.
Yeah, this could also be another good match actually. Ajax, of course, free flowing, lovely football, and Inter, they can play good football.
Yeah, Italian
and I
giants known
think,
for the defense. So they
yeah,
can
I know,
definitely
but
defend.
Italian teams are known for their defense, but Inter have a good attack from Dzeko and Lautaro Martinez. But I think Ajax are in too good a form and they'll win this.
No predictions required for the next game, Palash. Definitely Chelsea versus Lille. If anyone
No
if
prediction at
anyone
all,
has
in my
something else
opinion.
to say, you can please leave them.
No, I think Lille
We have the
will
control.
win.
Sorry.
Lille will win.
Yes,
Lille will win the
much
home leg.
expected, Anshula.
How,
Yes.
how do
Lille will win the home leg.
how
I
do
don't
you
know about the whole tie.
no how do
but
you kick
they'll
out
win at home.
people on from the Zoom meeting? Let me check.
अरे you can kick, but ऐसे
Next,
थोड़ी कुछ बोल रहा
moving to Villarreal versus City. Anshuraj, you said that this game will be very interesting. Pep versus Emery, as we discussed. Quick predictions. Pep taking it easily, or will it be a challenge like Villarreal did it with Manchester United in the Europa League last season?
नहीं, but वो Manchester United थी ना. We're talking about Manchester City here.
Manchester same as City or United different?
But honestly, City should, I think, go through quite easily. Villarreal are struggling a lot in La Liga as well this season. So I think सिटी जीत जाएगी.
And next, talking about the Liverpool game, I don't think anyone in the panel should be saying that Salzburg has a chance.
You never know. Last season, 1920 में I think Salzburg did play Liverpool and they put up a pretty decent fight against them. It won't be like a complete walkover for Liverpool. Liverpool will definitely win, but थोड़ी सी
हाँ,
fight
एक
रहेगी.
चीज यहाँ
It
पे
won't be very
I
easy.
just
I
want
don't
to
think
point
so.
out कि have you guys noticed or not, Premier League के तीनों contenders City, Liverpool and Chelsea will have are given formidable draws, so it might not hamper the champion वो Premier League की जो race चल रही है. We will be seeing a very good race now अगर unless a team bottles up अच्छा खासा injuries की वजह से किसी और reason से, the Premier League race will go on. Next, moving on to Juventus versus Sporting. Sporting has a good squad. They have proven in the group stage. उन्होंने Dortmund से better करा and they are in the stage where they should be. They deservedly are. And Juventus are also not in the best of the forms. So can we see a upset here, like Sporting beating Juventus?
Maybe there is like a very slight chance that can happen because Sporting, defensively speaking, काफी अच्छी है. They've just conceded 4 to 5 goals in their Portuguese league. So maybe there's a chance. I तो don't want Juventus going ahead, तो मैं तो ऐसे ही बोल रहा हूँ.
PSG versus Man U, the big game. Predictions. I know this. Here the predictions will differ. Just remember, we have Pochettino on one side. You have Ragnick on the other side. You have Messi. You have Ronaldo. Who are you going with?
And then you have Maguire, and then you have Ramos.
Predictions. Then.
Starting with if I'll start, then I think I'm gonna go for a PSG win in this one. I think at the moment cohesion nahi hua hai. They haven't hit the stride, but come February they probably will. Messi is absolutely brilliant against English teams. He's shown that again and again. And United, as much as I thought that they can go ahead in the competition if they had an easier draw, I think this one is going to be a Paris Saint-Germain win, according to me.
You're on mute, Chirag.
Predictions, Vedant.
I think PSG are going to win this game. They're first in League One anyways. I mean, it is pretty expected. PSG, for me, will win it. Everyone's saying, yeah, everyone's saying Messi and Ronaldo are going to meet again, but it's going to be Ramos and Ronaldo for the first time in a Champions League. So it'll be pretty emotional for Madrid fans.
Definitely a good thought. Anshuraj, Messi bias?
क्या मालूम भाई. ये मैन यूनाइटेड कुछ भी कभी भी फ्लूक से जीत जाती है, किसी को मालूम नहीं पड़ेगा. Very unpredictable side.
Your predictions, early predictions.
I don't know honestly because I don't want to look like a fool. Come March. If I say PSG will win, Messi will do this. But I'd still think PSG will win. थोड़ा सा एक गोल से जीत जाएगी.
I think again PSG का chance much better है, but Ronaldo in Champions League you never know. You might win 2 goals in the first leg and then Ronaldo scores a hat-trick, 3-2 you lose. So you can't count United out, but because of Maguire, I'll have to say PSG.
I don't know if Maguire will be the starting centre back जब तक February आएगा. You might see some new partnership building up. United man. So this was the video from us, guys. This was the reaction to our Champions League draws. Next, we will be moving on to the UEL draws. Hopefully, we will be doing a live show. If we are not, you will find our reactions in one of our videos.
भाई UEL ऐसा telecast पे नहीं होता होगा, क्या करेगा तू live?
बारसा फैंस के लिए स्पेशली रखवाया. बारसा फैंस के लिए स्पेशली रखवाया. So that was the video. Thank you so much.